With the election campaign now in full swing, we're all looking at the future more than ever. And in the European Parliament in Strasbourg this week, we've been not just discussing issues which affect our future, but also listening to other people speaking about the world context. We had the Secretary General of the United Nations here this morning talking about how much Europe had contributed to world peace and how we needed to work together and stay together to fight the huge problem of climate change that faces us. Now, as a small country, Wales has done very well in developing policies on the environment and how to combat climate change. And Plaid Cymru as a party has also always been a very green party. And that's why when we're looking at the different party manifestos and looking at the years to come, the years ahead of us, which will be difficult times, but we have to ensure that we, as a small nation, as European nation, which we always will be, we have to ensure that our future is sustainable, that our economy is strong, that our communities are welcoming. And that's why we, as a small nation, have to speak with one voice to make sure that our voice is still heard, not just on the European stage, but on the world stage as well.